Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail and then twist the ponytail upwards and make a bun out of it as such. Add a multiple prong pin in order to do so. As for the top, tie a rubber band to the base and then pin it up using a bobby pin. Now start off by tying a ponytail. Take your multiple prong pin, put it in upwards and then push it downwards. Add another pin at the top. Start off by combing the hair. Now using your fingers, twist the hair around your finger. After you have done this, make it into a bun using a 4-prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail and then at the base add a clip to it. Roll the ponytail upwards as such and then add a pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a low ponytail, then add a decorative clip to it. In the middle, add a rubber band, make a somewhat bun out of it. Roll it upwards as such and then put the clip. Tie a high ponytail and then lift it up slightly. Tie a rubber band at the base as such. Now put the ponytail back down, add a rubber band in the middle. Make a bun shape out of it and then use a pin to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Now add a rubber band in the middle, bend it into a bun and then tie it up in place. Put it in place using a pin. Tie a ponytail, then add a multiple prong pin to it. Add a rubber band to the middle as such, roll it up and then make a bun out of it. Tie a low ponytail and then add a clip. Add a rubber band in the middle and then lift the hair up and then on top of this add the clip. Add a rubber band at the base as well and fold it downwards. Using your fingers, roll the hair up and make it into a bun. Add a clip to it. Now take 2 sections from either side of the scalp, add a decorative clip to it. Of these, let 3 of them be openable. Take a section from the middle, then take a section from the left side, tie it up to the right side as such. Taking a section from the right side, twist it and enter it into the left portion. Comb the hair and then tie it up downwards. Use a multiple prong clip in order to do so. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add a rubber band to the base as such. Add another rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Wrap it around the initial bun that you have created. Twist it and tie it in place. Add a decorative clip. Take a section from the top of the scalp. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Add a decorative clip with 3 movable components to it. Clip it up vertically. Now take sections from either side and then put it in each of the clips. Once you are done with all 3, this is what it should look like. Take this kind of pin and then put it through the hair. Take a section from the top and then insert it. Now take sections from either side of the scalp and insert them in each of the crevices that are present. It should look like a braid. Once you reach the bottom, you may add a rubber band to it. Tie a ponytail and then add a rubber band. Divide it into 2 sections, twist it, roll it up. Once more, twist it and wrap it around the bun as such. Add a decorative clip. Take a small section of the hair, tie it up into a ponytail. Add a hair twine through it and then twist the hair around it. Twist the hair into a bun as such. Adjust it accordingly. Thank you for watching.